Yo, how you guys doing? I'm Seth. That's my name. Wait, before you do anything, you know what to do, yeah? Like and subscribe. Man, horrible with that. I hope you guys are well, yeah? All right. Remember, we've been promising you headaches. Well, the headaches are here. They are here, Baba. So you gotta get your painkillers, yeah? Your grandpas, your Dispring, all of them. Need to bring them closer. You know why? Because like now, for the first time, we're really gonna go through the struggles, the headaches, the heartaches, the frustrations that we've actually gone through throughout this project. Yeah, have to say this. This was a pain in the what? You know what? Yeah. All right. So I'm not gonna talk too much. From now on, I'm just gonna let you guys see what we went through. Now, these videos are not gonna be top notch like we're seeing now, but if you focus on what's happening there, there's a lot of narration in Yanada. Granted, when we started taking the videos, they were not initially intended for this platform, but you'll get some ideas as to what we were dealing with. A lot of measurements there by way of my voice and all of that. But what I want you guys to focus on is the condition at which we found this house, which is what this episode is going to be focused on. How we found the house. So this is one of the few times that we actually saw the house and we did a video walkthrough of the house. This was mainly for us to get an idea as to what we were dealing with so that we could better prepare in terms of what was going to come next. Yeah? I don't want to waste any more time. I want you guys to have a look at it and tell me what you think. Tell me some of the ways in which you would have opposed something that we did. And as promised, in the next episode, we're going to cover some key lessons that we learned throughout this process. I hope to see you guys soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe, right? And click that bell icon so that whenever we release the new episode, you guys can see it. Yeah? See you guys later. Shop. All right. So you've got measurements for this room. It looks like the lounge. It's about 4 by 3 meters. I've got the measurements for it. And on my left, you've got the kitchen, which is about 3 by 3 or 3 by 3.5. There is a gas stove here, which comes with the place. Okay. And then as you go in, okay, this is another view of the kitchen minus Malabongwa there. And over here you have a relatively big, it's about 5 by 4. It's a relatively big room, which could be the first bedroom, right? It's got a fireplace over here. It's got a door leading outside. It's got some nice light coming in. It's one of the bigger ones. And then you've got the first bathroom. It's about 3 by 2. It's a fully functional bathroom. Alright. It's the first one. It's common shed. So the first 3 or so bedrooms could be, right? And then this one here is the 3rd bedroom. It's a 2nd bedroom actually. Right? Let me just show a bit of light here. And this is how it looks. It's about 3 by 2.5 or 3 by 3. Okay. It's right next to the bedroom. And then you have the other bedroom, which is relatively big. Right? It could fit in 2 students in here. And it's got some built-in cupboards that may need to be repaired a bit, but it's not a train smash in terms of what needs to be done. It just needs a bit of TLC to bring it back to life. Look at this wall, which looks very, very nice. Okay, so that's 3 bedrooms so far, or 3 potential bedrooms. And you've got this relatively dark corridor, which would need some lighting to go with it. And then you have your fourth bedroom. This is the smallest one. And the nice thing with it is the laminate in it, we wouldn't have to change. We just have to change this color, change it to something a little more less pink, right? It's got a fully functional wardrobe in here, right? And then this is the master bedroom. The master bedroom, as you can see, is by far the biggest one. It's messed up. In some ways, there was a massive crack here which they've hidden, but there's a structural crack here which would need to be focused on, and there's quite a bit of work that needs to be done in terms of the ceiling. And as you can see, it's quite big. It is quite big. And if I view this way, and it goes outside in terms of the view, and let me just close it, right? And then they used to mount the TV there. Don't know what happened over there. There's even an alarm system, some cupboards here which may need to be replaced, but I'm not sure. And then here you've got an ensuite bathroom. It's got a shower, it's got a bath, it's got a toilet and a basin. So all in all, you're looking at about 5. That's 1, that's 2, and that's number 3, that's number 4, and the lounge, which will be converted, which is number 5. So you're looking at about 10 students or 10 people living in here. Okay. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. When you go outside, it's a massive yard. Massive, massive, massive yard. You know, even this side, there's plenty of space. I've measured it, it's about 30 odd meters by about 20 in terms of the size. It's quite big. Right. Okay, and then over here you've got what looks like a maid's quarters. And one of the ideas I had was to potentially extend the structure to stop where this little tree is. You know, this way we could fit in more people. But if this was to be done, we could get some nice room there. There's the other side there. And here, the idea would be to close this off and turn it into a 2-bedroom, one facing the other side and then one facing this way. If you look here, you've got the toilet, which is completely messed up, right? And then you've got a potential room here, which would need to be fixed up a bit, but it does have some potential. And right next to it, you do have, this is the main switch. You do have some things here. It used to be used as a tool room. So this is the potential area. Open the window there. That's a room there for people to live in. So that's another room. In total, we're now looking at 12 students without doing any structural work. And then if you come here, you've got the garage. Let me just open it. The garage would be able to fit in at least 2 people or so. Just needs to be fixed up and it needs to be made functional. Okay. This is it. All right, now that you guys have seen the mess that we were dealing with in the video, right? Give us your feedback. Tell us what you would have done. Tell us what are some of the ideas that you would have implemented in this case, right? And in the next episode, we're going to tell you guys our lessons learned. But remember, this is a two-way learning streak, yeah? We're going to tell you what we learned, and hopefully you guys can also tell us what you learned and what you would have done to improve the situation, yeah? This way, it's two ways, Baba. Any given point in time. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And that video is meant to teach. Right? All right, cool. So see you guys in the next episode where we're going to be covering 3 lessons learned as usual, Baba. 3 lessons learned. Okay? All right, cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I won't do the dance again. No, I won't do that to myself. All right, sharp.